Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are well. Like every time, this time I appeared with a video. Today's video is also on the English alphabet. So let's begin. A for apple. Apple is a name of fruit. B for ball. A ball is a game object. C for cat. Cats like to eat fish. D for dog. Dogs are loyal animals. E for elephant. Elephants are large animals. F for fish. Fishes are found in river. G for goat. Goats live by eating grass. H for horse. Horses can run fast. I for ibex. Ibex is a wild goat. J for jackal. Jackals are clever animals. K for kangaroo. Kangaroo jumps onto legs. L for lion. Lion is called the king of beasts. M for mongoose. Mongoose is considered an enemy of snake. N for nest. Bird nests can be seen on tree branches. O for ox. Ox is a four-footed animal. P for pig. Pig have poor eyesight, but a great sense of smell. Q for quail. Quails are small birds that scurry on the ground and make cute chirping sounds. R for rabbit. Rabbits are herbivores. S for snake. Snakes are poisonous animal. T for tiger. Tiger is a fierce animal. U for umbrella. Umbrellas are used in monsoons. V for vulture. Vultures are nature's cleanup crew. W for wolf. Wolves are clever hunters that live in packs and howl at the moon in the nighttime wilderness. X for xebec. Xebec floats in the sea water. Y for yak. The shaggy yak grazed peacefully on the mountain slopes. Z for zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes in its body. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you next video. Stay with my channel.